Well, just popped up the garden centre, up the allotment. It's a little bit busy today. Queuing to get in. Luckily I can park in the allotment, not at the garden centre. There's an Easter farm shop for the kiddies up there. Looks like it's very popular too. Well, I'll sit down for a minute. Perhaps it all starts at 10 o'clock or something, that's why it's so crowded. The irony is, we get told off as site plot holders for parking like where that white, silver, black, blue car are on the grass verge because it destroys the grass. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20 cars that I can count going up the hill all parked on the grass. Oh dear, they won't get told off because they're spending money. Yeah, come up yesterday, sprayed a bit more vinegar around to kill some of the grass and a few of the docks. I ain't got many left actually, but this bit here, I'm going to leave this as grass just here, and this may be where I put a bench because that manure will be going soon and the wood chip, so that'll give me a bit more room there for some more beds if I want them. Yeah, I've got to move that manure in a minute actually. Right, yeah, it's very bright today. I'm planning as well, now what do you call them? One of those structures that you sit inside. A bean gazebo? I don't know. 6, 7, 8 buckets, which are over there next to the gallows, look. Or maybe smaller ones. Arranged in sort of 3/4 of a circle with a gap at the front. Canes going up. I've got plenty of canes. Tied at the top with beans and cucumbers going up them. And I can sit inside there in the cool. But space is a bit of a premium at the moment. The only place it could go would be here, I think, because you can't really see what I'm doing at the moment, but just down from the owl there, the lupins are growing, and next to that there's a bit of a composty type no dig bed, and that could be where the pea frame goes. So I'm still planning. I want to get some ochre in with the shallots and elephant garlic there. It's my own ochre saved from last year and it's sprouting. I can put it deep enough that the frost won't affect it. We got a cold night coming in a week's time apparently, but should be alright. Right, let's go and do some. I just popped up to get some, put some compost and manure down under the bean arch. I got loads from home. Old compost and fresh, well not fresh manure, rotted manure behind me, and I've got my wrinkle. Put the pack down a bit. Got my wrinkle composter going as well. It's got a little bit, if mould is the right word actually, but feisty. Oh, I've got loads of coffee grounds as well. Starbucks. Ouch. Gonna be a bit of a raw footage type video this, guys. I ain't got much time to talk, I don't think. They're parking along the main road now. Very popular event. Yeah, this is the wrinkle one. And what I've done, I've mixed it with other compost anyway. And I'm not using this one in pots, this bag. I can't remember where it came from. And I know I did have some vine weevils last year. I'm wondering if that's what's caused my blueberries to die. But when I dug them up, I couldn't see any. Oh, come on! I couldn't see any grubs, but the roots weren't that good. I'm not too worried about this grass under here because, like I said, I have sprayed vinegar around, and it will die, it always does. And it's a sort of a no-dig bed. It's already got a load of straw down anyway. Ah, looks like there are potatoes in here. I can see some little spuds. And some big spuds and some straw. Let's get some of that wrinkle over here. I've let it dry out too much, to tell you the truth. I should have mixed it with compost as soon as it was ready. But I just chucked it in a big bin in the back garden. I've just emptied the bin as well, so that'll do. Shower's due tomorrow, so I'm not going to bother watering this in. That'll do. Yeah. Job 1 done. I showed you on the last video what vinegar does to grass, look. So it just dries it up like that. Well, let's move that tarpaulin thingy. Oh, they've gone now. Frog, where are you? Got to be careful where I'm stepping now. Oh God, there he is. There's a big toad there, look. Zoom in on him. Cool. Big toad there, and there's one. And there was two more. One was in the grass here, and a frog. Yeah, one was. Yeah, there was two more. One was. Oh, there's one. There's the frog. Look. There he is. Common frog. Common toad, wherever he is. There he is. And there's one more. So just be careful, eh? Another frog. That's 4 so far. I guess they like it under there. And I'll tell you what, it looks like all the slugs have gone as well. Yeah. Right. Do I move them somewhere else or let them find their own way? There we are. Pretty good looking manure, that. That's been there for a year in that pile. I'll tell you what, guys, this traffic is building up so bad. I'm going to dump this lot and make a move because they're going to park in front of the gate in a minute. Let's get these ocker in and I'm gone. They did all right in the bales last year, so should be right in the bales this year. In fact, last year they were year-old bales as well. Four or five each side. That'll do, I reckon. I'm not going to bother with the shallots one. Here we are then, that's me gone, guys.
And Kate sent me some photographs of her SSPC 2026. Got a nice top bud on that one. She's cut it into 2 and gone for the classic plant it in the soil. And quite correctly labelled it to stop any confusion. Meanwhile, the gremlins have recreated that classic school experiment of growing runner beans in a jam jar with blotting paper, except they're using kitchen tissue paper and borlotti beans. And to make it more interesting, they place the beans at various heights to see if it makes a difference. And, I had a kebab. Don't know why they bother giving you the pita bread. It's about as much use as a chocolate fireguard with that lot. Anyway, take care, guys. Catch you on the next video.